Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing this toy grade pocket drone. It was provided to me by Banggood and it is the Eachine E58. Let's take a look and see what it comes with. It comes with a manual. Here's the drone. The arms open up. Here's the controller. Comes with 3 batteries, one of which was already on the drone. A micro USB cable, a screwdriver, and 4 prop cards. So here's the remote control. Right here we got the on-off switch, the takeoff and landing button. These buttons here are the left and right adjustment buttons, and these 2 buttons here are the up, forward and back adjustment buttons. And of course you got the 2 control knobs here. And I was looking at these antennas here, and I don't see actually any antenna wire passing through, so they pretty much do nothing. You got 4 buttons on the top here. This one here is the photo and video button, and the one behind it is the headless mode button. Over on this side there is the speed select switch, and behind that is the 360 roll button. On the back here it is the battery cover. It takes 3 AA's, which are not included, and so yeah, that's it for the remote control. I forgot to mention that this remote control has a built-in phone holder, and it comes out the bottom like so. And then I grab my phone here, which is a Samsung Galaxy S7, and goes on like so. The package I got came with 3 of these little batteries here. They are 500 milliamp 3.7 volt, and they charge via a micro USB plug right there. And there's a little red LED that'll light up while charging, and then the light will go away when it's done. Here's the drone itself. The arms are foldable and they retract out, and then after they're out they look kind of like a little mini Mavic. The motors in here are 7mm by 20mm brushed motors, and they got a power button here. Got a camera here that's a 2 megapixel 720p with 120 degree field of view, and the angle of the camera is also adjustable like so. It records video through this micro USB slot. Sorry, I meant micro SD card slot. And there is a battery compartment in the back here, so that's where the battery comes in and out. And this antenna here is for the Wi-Fi, and it has 2 little LEDs on the front here. So the weight of the drone with the battery is 95.8 grams, so just under 100 grams. The prop protectors attach to the bottom of the motors, like so. So to turn it on and start flying, all you gotta do is press this button here on top of the drone, and then this little blue LED light will start flashing, and then on the remote control all you just turn on, and you with the left stick you go up, down, and when this stops flashing here, you're bound and ready to fly. And so all you have to do is to actually take off is push the takeoff button here, and here we go. And yep, that's how it's done.
part of the electronics.